first off. Okay, we need to turn that off before I get copywritten. Alright, we back live. Let me make sure that my audio is coming from the mic and not the computer. Audio. Alright, not cool. Alright, here we go. So it's been a while since I've been live. I don't know, probably like 2 weeks. It's been like 2 weeks since I've been live, I think. But we back. We back. I've been trading. I just haven't been posting. We are about $900 away from passing this funded. So that's what we'll see if we can pass this funded by today or tomorrow. That's the goal. This open candle is getting a little bit out of hand here. I want to clone this. Put that here. I want to use this as a new level. It's going to be a new support level right here. We're going to see if we can break through this on this 15-minute candle or not. Because really what this might tell me is we might potentially reject off of this level and start trading back down. The size of this open range candle, well, I mean, it's not that much bigger than this one. It's not that much bigger than this one, but the size of this one tells me that we might potentially trade within the range. I'm hoping to get the breakout. If we look on the 4-hour chart, we're starting to get a nice little movement. This is a nice movement, but we would expect this next 4-hour candle to give us some kind of a retracement before continuing up. So that's kind of what I'm going to be looking for here. I don't expect the next 15-minute candle to break outside of the zone. Yeah, I expect the next 15-minute candle to give us that pullback. That would be beautiful. All right. Let me see here. I'm trying to figure out how I want to notate this. I need to get rid of some. Oh, hold on now. We coming right across here. We're coming right across here. It's a nice retest of this. We broke down. It's a nice retest of this breakdown, but we already came through and sweep this. So I don't really think we need to keep pushing back down here. I think we're gonna break back up here. Let's look at the bigger picture. All right. We're gonna look at the bigger picture here. I think we have a good chance to finally start testing the top of the zone again, potentially breaking out here. I'm just not bearish on the indices. I do want to scan around the markets a little bit and take a look at gold and shit. Gold. Need to hold on, I'll be back. All right. Just had to step away for a minute. We back. All right. So I was debating whether I wanted to go live today or not, but really trying to get into the content over everything. I be kind of like on some bullshit lately, finding excuses not to record or not to go live and shit. But I'm trying to do better. Trying to do better. All right, so let's see what we got going on here. Okay, so we got a little bit of a fake out to the top side. Let's see if we continue to push out. I want to find at least we want to get at least a 5 minute closure outside, and then maybe on the break of that 5 minute candles, we're gonna monitor this. I'm gonna go ahead and start journaling this on my other screen. Alrighty. I'm actually looking for it to reject here. I'm not really looking for a bullish move. I'm looking for it to sell back down to either start retesting this level or even potentially coming all the way back down to this green level down here. I'm not really anticipating it breaking completely out now, at least not this early. So I'm not, if it starts to push out the top side, I'm just gonna have to miss that because that's just, that don't really correlate with how I see this happening. We're at a level here. It's the 15-minute level as well. So I'm looking for the rejection here, the false breakout. I don't think that we're going to maintain the top on. I don't think we're going to maintain a closure or price on top of this 15-minute ORB right here. So I'm gonna talk through my notes as I type them. Let's see, I'm gonna get analysis. Uh-oh. Maybe I might be wrong. We'll see. We shall see. We still got a minute left till we get the closure. We'll see what happens there. Alright. Alright, so pre-market price action broke structure. I don't know why I can't type lately. I haven't been typing consistently, so I feel like lately I've been trying to type and I feel computer illiterate. I don't know if that's I don't even know if that's the word. But anyway. Alright. So pre-market price action broke structure to the upside. Screenshot to the upside, breaking minor time frame trend line at approximately 850. I can't type. See, approximately. Wait. 850 a.m. Okay, see, we didn't close. We did not close outside of that range. I'm looking for price to start selling back down. I honestly might take sells from here. If we get right past right here, I might take a sell off of this break. So we're gonna look at this potential. No, let's mark that. possible sells beneath this line here. Let's fix where that actually shows. And what I'll be looking to do is sell it back into this level right here. At least that's where I would go to take my profits. But honestly, if we maintain below this level right here, I will look for sells to push back to the bottom. How big is this range totally right here? We have 120 ticks. Okay. Oh man, that's not good. I'm already almost done with my second cup of coffee. I really wish I had more. But I don't know if I should pour up a third. Hey, this candle really looks like, this 15-minute candle looks like it really wants to hold outside of the range. So we'll see. We're gonna see. If it closes back with inside the range, that for me is almost like the final confirmation that we're probably gonna get the sell back down towards the bottom of the range. All right. Pre-market price action broke. Pre-market price action broke the structure to the upside, breaking a minor time frame trend line at approximately 8:50 a.m. And then, what time was this? 9:25. The 9:25 5-minute candle broke the previous structure. I can't fucking type. Structure high. I'm gonna put marked by the gray rectangle. I'm gonna screenshot this. Screenshot exactly what we're looking at right here. Oh fuck. All this. That's exactly what we're looking at. I'm screenshotting that and I'm adding it to my journal. Image. Open. Can I mark on this? That's something I need to learn. I need to see if I can mark on this. All right, it looks like we're gonna get the close outside of the range here, which is also breaking the structure high here. I gotta be careful how I want to play this, but let's see how this closes because it's starting to push back down here. I would really like to see it close within this range here. All right, we got the 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock is coming in now, and it's maintained. So we got the close outside and it looks like we're about to go ahead and keep pushing. I don't really feel 100% confident about taking this buy right here, to be honest with you. So if price does start breaking high and start to push, I think I might just leave NQ alone for the day because I just don't see. I need it to pull back for me to get some kind of entry here. For me to feel safe about it, at least. For me to feel safe about it, I need it to give me some kind of a pullback because I don't think. My question is, how big is this candle going to be? We already have a decent sized daily candle here. So even if it does push up and start to blaze, all right, to where? To right here, retest this level? Or what are the chances that it's actually going to come all the way back up here to start retesting the top side of this level today with this candle? I think at some point this week we're going to get here. I just don't think we're going to get all the way up here today. It can happen. We could have a candle this size. It's just not as likely. Maybe I'm wrong about the likelihood. Maybe I'm wrong about the likelihood. Let's start looking at, just for kicks and giggles, oops. Let's look at, we got, how many ticks is this? This is almost 1,000 ticks, over 1,000 ticks in one day. What do we got here? Almost 700 in one day. Where are we at today so far? From top to bottom. Okay, so I mean, we can go. We can definitely make the final push all the way to the top of the zone. I ain't gonna say that it's not in the question. I would just really prefer some kind of, hold on. Oh shit, we're getting it. We just retested the top of this level, and I'm entering buys here. Yeah, if we, yeah, all right. I'm finna get ready to enter buys here. We're gonna go light at also. Yeah, I'm entering. Gotta be careful here. Gotta be really careful here. We closed outside. All right, you're gonna enter buys. Indecision is not good. That's why you need data to back up these moves. All right. Order filled. I'm in. We're gonna go initial stop right below this, because if we do break down here, actually I'm gonna go really tight on this stop here. We're gonna go really tight on this stop, and I may add an entry here. We're risking $80 here. All based off of the premise that we got the closure outside, so this candle should give us a follow-through push, and if not, then we're out early. Order filled. All right, I just added one more position. So that'll go. All right. We're in 3 micros. See, I liked it because we got the 5-minute closure, and then the next 5-minute candle retested structure here, retested the top of that level, but we also closed outside. So I do like the push here, and I'm thinking about going one more contract. Order filled. Yeah. All right. So now we're in total 4 contracts here, with the total risk of 150. So I like that risk. I'm okay with losing 150 on this trade if that's what happens. All right, we're starting to get a push. I like it. Like I said earlier, when I first got on, I am approximately $900 away from passing this combine. So I'm not trying to over risk anything. I'm not trying to go crazy. I don't need to get the 901 trade. It would be nice, but I'm not trying to force this. We're going to try to maintain some good discipline here. Yeah, it looks like price is breaking down here. I don't like that. I don't like that. I think we might get stopped out. All right. So on Friday, I lost my trade. Well, not lost my trade, but I took a little bit over a break even. You can probably see it down here somewhere. Took a little bit over a break even win on NQ because I trailed too tight. Or I trailed too early. And I'm trying not to do that here, even though I want to take risk off. I don't necessarily even though I'm okay with losing a 153, I still like to protect capital. So if I don't like how the candles are printing, I want to be able to minimize the loss if possible. But on this, here it's hit or miss right here. I think we're just gonna wait to see how this 5 minute closes. I think if this 5 minute close fails to close bullish, I think I might go ahead and yeah, we're gonna minimize this right now. So now 100. Yeah, right about 111 for the stop here. Right below this last 5 minute candle. The one thing about this setup that I don't love is the size of the ORB. Because of the size of the ORB, there is a decent chance that we may come back, push back in here and trade within the range for the rest of the day. So honestly, if we get the closure back in the range, there's a decent chance. Okay, yeah, we're about to get stopped out here. I think I'm just going to shut it down. I'll let price get me. If price gets me right here, then it gets me right here. Yeah, it's finna get me. Okay, we're retesting the level one more time. Do I want to give it the space? Let's look at the 15. Let's look on the 15. Oh, we're out of here. Okay. Oh, maybe I had my stop too tight there. Okay. Still about $1,000 away. We're back inside the range here. Big part of me wants to go ahead and short this here, but I want to see. Let's see where this 15-minute closes. I'm thinking about going in 5 micros. Yeah.
Order filled.
Yeah, we're in 5 micros here. We're gonna go. No, that's pretty far. We're gonna go stop here. Yeah. All right. This is very well going to be my final trade of the day. Very good chance of that. I really want want to see this breakdown here. I probably jumped the gun on the sell, but I feel confident about it just based off of history. This failure to close, especially if we get this 5 minute failure to close, this 15-minute closes with inside of, shit, it's pushing back up again. That's not good. May have jumped the gun. I need this 5 minute candle to close inside the range, and then we should go push back to the bottom of this range here. That's what we're looking for. We want this 5 minute candle to close within the range. We get this 5 minute closure within the range, preferably down here, then we should get the final move at least. Even if it don't come all the way to the bottom of the zone, I like it to come back and retest this level right here. We're starting to get that push. If we can get a wick below this line right here, that'll be a pretty decent confirmation that we're gonna get the finish move. All right. I really want some more coffee, but I don't need any more caffeine. That shit just tastes so good. Oh, I don't like what it's doing. We got 2 more minutes. I'm gonna walk away for a minute and let it do what it do. I don't like that. Oh shit, this is not pretty. That's not pretty at all. I just created a new level of support. Oh no, no, no. No, no, no. We're finna get torched right here. Oh no. Yeah, I definitely, we're about to get torched right here. Straight torch. We're gonna get killed right here. Based off how this is printing, I need this shit to close bearish. If that shit close looking like that, it's gonna be ugly for me. It's gonna be a bad Monday. Bad Monday. What's gonna happen here? Come on now. Come on now. Don't do that to me now. Don't do that to me now. Yikes. Push back down, bitch. Push back down. Push back down. Fuck! That's just gonna get me. Damn, man, that's crazy. My fucking luck, boy. As soon as I go back live, I take an L. Let me show you. I need to. Yeah, I've been up all fucking week, boy. Like, all last week, great. As soon as I'm cutting this loss. I'm cutting this loss. I'm going.
Order filled.
All right, we're down 4. Yeah, that shit closing like that is not a pretty look right there. So. Minimize the loss.
Order filled.
That's way too fucking crazy. We got two 15-minute closures outside the range. Let's go ahead. Based off of my back testing, this should be a win. How far can we take it? That's the question. Alrighty. Win or lose, this is my last trade of the day. We're in the hole 400. So I'd like to see if that's possible to at least get that back. We'll see. All right. Now, the management is what comes into the biggest thing here. When and where do we trail this stop? See if we can come and test this, right? What are we looking at here? That just gets us to a break even day. But if we're looking at the daily, oh yeah. We're gonna push it to here. We're gonna push it up here at least. Yeah, we'll do that. Oh, I forgot I wanted to hide that. How do I do that again? Settings, privacy. Honestly, if I could get back to what is it, 411? Is that where we're at? 411 down on the day. We're down 410 on the day. If we can get there, I might lock. Oh, okay, we're about to lock that in. Yeah, I'm about to lock in what we lost, and maybe this might not be my last trade of the day. If we can get back to break even, I think I might go just start looking at. I might start go looking at the metals. See if we can catch a better opportunity on the metals. This is my last opportunity here for NQ. So I want to see this push. Let me go ahead and secure my loss of the day. So if we can get to that, if we can get to that blue line trail right there. Push to that blue line. I want to lock in the entire thing. I don't want to get caught slacking here for 427. See, it's pushing back. Come on, push, push, push. Get it on a nice little push. Stretch up, stretch up, stretch up. Fuck you, man. Fuck you. Push up. I'm trying to lock in like 450 on this trade. We can lock in 450. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down. I think we might reject here. Oh fuck yeah. He wants to reject that here.
Order filled.
Alright, so we're down 70 still. I feel like it's gonna reject here. Probably. I'm probably wrong, but there's too many. We got this level and we got this trend line that we can reject off of. I don't really like holding it here, even though it could push through and come all the way back up here. This is a level. This is a level. Where we're at currently is a level. Alright, so, alright, we're off. Alright, what we looking like on gold? Alright, so we are $70 shy. Oh, let me get some. Let me look at this here. I don't know what I'm looking for on gold here. Gold looks a little crazy right now. What the fuck? Yeah, now gold is looking insane. Hold on, is this what gold gapped? Oh shit! I just noticed where the fuck we're at on gold. Yo, we are no. This is insane. This is insane. Are you about to break it now? I don't. I can't trade this. Where is it going? Where is it going? I can't trade that. All right, I think we might. I think we might just call it a day because gold is at all time highs. So it's like, all right, even if we do break all time highs, we're just gonna trail it. Let's go see what silver's doing. Let's go see. Silver too. Silver's at all time highs too. Ah, I don't like it. I don't like it. I think we're done. Yeah, I'm done for the day. We're down 70. That's all right. That's okay. We gotta be okay with taking the L. It's my first. Let me see here. Yeah, see, it's my first red day of this account. I gotta be okay with that. I gotta be okay with that. It's my first red day of the account. We're up 2K still. You know what I'm saying? Up 2K. We got 1K left to go. We got like $970 left to go still. Come on now. Stats is looking good on this account. Let's not go crazy. I don't like what I'm seeing on the charts, so we need to just walk away. I'm not trying to trade all time highs on gold or silver. I need a pullback. Maybe if we can start breaking down these levels, I'll start looking for sells, but I can't trade no bullish breakout right here. So, and I'm not going to sell against all this momentum either. This is way too much momentum. But this looks fucking crazy. I can't trade that. It's a rocket ship to the moon. The rocket ship can fall at any moment or it can keep on going. Trying to trade this that's gambling. None of this. That's not my setup. What's he else doing? Let's see. I'm fucking smelling. this retest level. But I'm done. We locking out. Lock out. Custom. Let's lock out until just. Alright, so we're finna go take a shower. We're gonna go to the gym later or probably let's go to the gym now. Oh shit, I'm still live. I'm dumb as hell. I just realized that I never fucking shut down the stream. Alright, peace, we out.